Hello and welcome to a little video I'm making with the Content Creator Kit. So this is just to show you what is possible with a minimal of equipment. We always recommend, if you can, to have a microphone and a light, particularly if you're inside or if you're filming at night. So I've got this lovely little kit with me at the moment. You can see it. You can actually see the ring light reflected in the box. So what I've got at the moment is my phone inside the ring light mounted, and I've actually got a little microphone I'm going to show you now, which is just off camera. It's a condenser microphone, and that is just picking up my voice so you can hear me nice and clearly. So you get everything you need in the box. You get the ring light, you get the microphone, you get all the adapters that you need to put it all together, and the stand for the light as well. So it's not so big. You'll need to stand it on something. I've actually got mine on a couple of books, so I wanted to raise the stand up high enough that my eyes are in the top third of the screen, so that when I talk to you, it looks nice and balanced. And I've got some space here on this side, which has got something interesting in it, in this case books. You can see a little bit of light reflection on one of the books there as well. But essentially, light really does help to make a difference in your production. I'm just going to turn it off so you can see the difference. Okay, much flatter picture, much less interesting. And it also has different modes. So you've got a cooler light, a brighter white light, an even bluer light, and then that orange light, which is what I started with. And you can also adjust it up and down as well. So I can make it brighter or I can make it darker. So really you just have a little play around and work out what's going to look best for you. And we'll have a listen back and see how the sound test went as well. But hopefully this is a nice easy kit that you can keep set up for yourself at home for whenever you want to talk to the camera.